The National Electrical Code, or NEC, specifically NFPA 70, is a primary resource for understanding electrical terminology. Article 100 of the NEC contains definitions of electrical terms, including support and related terms which are essential for interpreting code requirements. To support something means to hold up or sustain it. An example of this is a conduit being supported by a wall-mounted conduit clamp. Something that is securely supported is held firmly and without risk of loosening or displacement. An example of this would be a conduit that is securely supported by a strut and clamp system. To be securely fastened means attached in a manner that prevents movement or loosening. An example of this would be a conduit that is securely fastened to a beam with a threaded rod. When interpreting section 342.30b, 3. Supported and securely fastened in place means that the vertical riser conduit is supported along its entire length to prevent sagging or bending and is also secured to prevent movement or displacement caused by vibration, shock, or other forces. Considering a conduit installed within the V of a bar joist, it may be considered supported if the bar joist provides sufficient support along the conduit's length. However, the conduit must also be securely fastened to the bar joist or to other supporting structures to prevent movement or displacement.